Hello guys, today I'm going to explain to you how to create a custom API. So right now I've just written some code. You can see this is create commits async. So this is actually already been implemented in our client project, but here I'm going to implement it for you in order to demonstrate for you. So here what I have done is I've just created a method and I'm passing some information to this method, and which is value and time percentage and also ID. This information, and then first of all I start by adding these lines. So these lines are very important. Whenever you create a custom API model, whenever you create a custom API, you need to extract this information from this custom API model. Server key, user ID, website URL, and access token. These four things are very important. And then here I'm creating payload. This is where we will use this information which we extracted from custom API model. And here this is ID. This ID is just remember, this ID is different. This ID is actually for audio ID, the song where comment is being written. So this is different. So that's why I'm not using this user ID here. ID, time percentage, and then value, access token, and server key. This information is being used from these lines. And after that, here we create a HTTP client object, and then we are posting that information. So this is our base URL. This will be same for each single API, and this is a unique API which is only there for registering comments, like writing comments on a file or on any song. So, and this is the payload. So you need to understand, whenever we want to create a new API on the server end, you need to understand what is the API name, this what is the API name, then form content, this is what is the API payload, and then this information, like for example in this case, what is the comment, what time this comment was made, and what is the file ID. So where we can, how we can use it is also very simple. I have actually, this is where we are already using writing a comment, send button on click. When user clicks on a button, when user writes a comment and then clicks on send button, then this method is called, and here it passes the comment user has written to the server. So here we are creating create comment async. We are calling this API from our encrypted file. So I will skip this and I will say no, don't do that, use my custom API. So this is the custom API I have written. So I just call it create comment async, and I pass the audio ID, time comment, and replacement, like whatever was the comment. And this information is passed here and then passed to the server. After passing this information, we get response from the server, and we read that response as a string, then try to decode it, and then we pass that response here. After passing, if the response was success, it means 200, and we will decode the information further and then pass this information to the calling method. So similar way we have been using here. So here we get this information as a response, and then this model, whatever happened to that model, whether it was success or failure, whatever we have written in our business logic. So this is how you can create a custom API. Thank you very much for watching.